Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars, athletics, and sports. My name is John, and here's what will be on the lineup from October 19th to October 25th. Leading off with high school, on Tuesday, October 21st, the girls' tennis team will have a match against Springfield Garden High School. Also on the 21st, there will be a girls' cross-country meet at Cunningham Park. The boys' cross-country meet will be held on the 22nd, along with a girls' volleyball home game against Queens High School for Science at 4:30. Boys' basketball tryouts will be held on Thursday, October 23rd at 6 p.m., right after the girls' volleyball practice starting at 4. On Friday the 24th, the girls' volleyball team will have another home game, this time against High School for Law Enforcement. Moving on for middle school athletics this week. The only scheduled event is a girls' volleyball game at Middle School 105 on Wednesday, October 22nd, beginning at 10 a.m. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com. So you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.